What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to play My Muse by Leon Thomas. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can refer to that if you need to. If you are viewing this on YouTube right now, just an FYI, this tutorial was posted on my Patreon first, and I'd like to invite you to be a member of my Patreon. There's an extended cut of this tutorial, and I'll give you a bonus strumming pattern and other bonus content on there as well. So I'm also going to link that in the description and pinned comment below, so you can check it out if you want to. But now, here's an example of what the song is going to sound like. You're not my girl, but you're still my muse. You're supposed to be my number one and not his number two. You're not my girl, but you're still my muse. You're supposed to be my number one and not his number two. So as you guys can see, I have a capo on the 3rd fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song, and those 4 chords are A major 7, G sharp minor 7, E major 7, and F sharp minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is A major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Second chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret and we're putting our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is E major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. And last chord is F sharp minor 7, so we're going to put our fingers, we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Now, if you're a beginner, you might be wondering, how are you using the same chord shape to play G sharp minor 7 and F sharp minor 7? So the chord progression is going to go exactly in that order, and if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In terms of the strumming pattern, I'm going to put the strumming pattern up on the bottom of your screen so you can just follow along as I play the chord progression for you. Now, if you want to play this in a more chill, laid-back tone, you could just pluck the 4 middle strings, and I'll give you an example right here. So we're going to take it from the A major 7. So that's just an example of how you could strum the guitar. But like I always say, if you find another way that you want to strum or pluck the strings, by all means, you are the creator, so go ahead and do so. But that's how you play the song. Alright y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this video. I hope that this tutorial helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put those in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. Like I said, I have more exclusive content on my Patreon page, so again, I'd like to invite you to become a member. And that's going to be linked down in the description and pinned comment below. While I have you here, I'd also like to invite you to follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and follow me there. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Check that one out. I think you'll like it as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.